S. Termito, Joan S. Poblete, Rachel Ann C. Ramos, Patricia Jean I. Reyes, Mary Bon L. Sabila, Rachel Ann D. Soriano, Annabel F. Sorial, Sherry Canay D. Tenorio, Catherine F. Trinidad, and Sharon Joy M. Volante. 14, Section 7, Mrs. Janet E. Gali, Advisor.
Edward Q. Buscetta, Charles Joel S. Calillo, Kenneth S. Ceciliano, Mark P. Sardito, DJ P. De Castro, John Ray S. De La Cruz, Roy Q. De La Reyes, Otaner R.J.C. De Gama, Iago S. Domingo, J.R.L. Buday, Raimundo R. Tedora, Randy U. Busto, Romeo T. Lopez Jr., Ronel D. Monte, Mark Anthony M. Tindor, Rodrigo I. Salvador Jr., Daniel L. Tolachiva, Mark Jefferson A. Torres, Sagani S. Sabat Jr., Maria Roxanne E. Acosta, Shariel M. Alcera, Audrey Chris D. Aquino, Darius M. Arasa, Regina A. Baha, Ian G. Bonga, Stephanie A. Borja, R.B. A. Campitos, Rio P. Castelo, Ronren Marie Carmela P. de los Santos, Dulce Electrano, Liza N. Escaros, Rosel Espinola, Denise Marie S. Flores, Remedy A. Frias, Nico T. Gomez, Apple C. Limpico, Lisa B. Lorchani, Julian A. Marchani, Erika B. Mostrales, Alias D. Nadal, Joanna Marie P. Paglo, Jonah D. Paragua, Marilyn C. Prietos, Darlene M. Salazar, Janine Rose M. Sol, Ana Marie A. Soriano, Mary Ann A. Tuplano, Desiree C. Versosa, Chema B. Villalon, Mary Ann C. Villegas, and Catherine B. Zuluga. Fourth year, Section 8, Mrs. Vivian Adriana Cruz Acosta, R. Alupante Jr., Rod L. Chu, Algin N. Chua, Richard Jerome A. Cristobal, Jenjen B. De Guia, Joven O. Estrigante, Jomel S. Liben, Joe Alan Mark G. Ilio, Denmark D. Israel, Derek N. Ladroma, Apolinario Laurente, Dean Berhel G. Legaspi, Jeffrey V. Mengito, Luigi Binual, Eric C. Ontog, Abner S. Santiago, Richard Santos, Mark Jason S. Solis, Baldwin D. Tisco, Sunny Boy D. Tormes, Edison G. Tungo, Jefferson A. Uzon, Michael Yana L. Acolico, Ramisa M. Arañez, Lailani T. Bongo, Rizalyn Q. Braun, Annabel M. Bullius, Rose Ann T. Cunanan, Rebecca M. Diono, Aiko M. Dino, Roy C. Fernandez, Joan Z. Franco, Joan S. Gagar, Jenaline C. Laurel, Rachel Ann C. Limbo, Jeneline J. Lozada, Annie C. Madrideo, Mary Grace J. Martin, Roslyn M. Mateo, Annabel G. Mercadejas, Clarissa D. Lugue, Dinah M. Valenzuela, Julife M. Permejo, Jezebel G. Petate, Sarah Jane L. Pineda, Karen May C. Pono, Ruby E. Rangel, Edmalyn T. Rico, Maylene T. Santos, Rhea Abilin S. Santos, Maria Fatima M. Soriano, Ana Lorraine J. Aitonel, and Judeline B. Yanto. Here are the graduates from 4th year section 9 under the advisorship of Mrs. Cristina Villabesa Domingo. Paulo M. Asistido, Eric Y. Asea, Herbie P. Bautista, Jen Glenico S. Castillo, Renz Mario T. Castro, Louis L. Cinco, Darwin P. Dalmacio, Eugene G. Dulan, Robin J. B. Engels, Justin R. J. F. Fernandez, Marvin C. Gloria, Jerwin C. Habungan, Morris Andrew S. Magahis, Ronel F. Mahinan, Kenneth B. Manalo, Jomar B. Marcelo, Ronelo C. Paguna, Jimboy T. Saluna, Patrick A. Sumulong, Delgado, Alvin M. Yu, Remar D. Zulbeta, Irene Joy R. Abedejos, Carla Faye Agora, Melanie C. Alvarez, Amalia R. Bautista, Maylene L. Cabagnan, Marife M. Cal, Shelly M. Cueva, Iris Joy L. Dai, Camille P. Deregla, Chigi Rose F. De la Cruz, Leia Lynn D. Dumaano, Heidi May L. Dugan, Jenny B. Florendo, Lovely S. Galuson, Roxanne P. Hilo, May A. Grafe, Myra P. Igusora, Chokrisa H. Lagoy, Maria Elaine M. Lapus, Dalia G. Lavarias, Catherine D. Llana, Annalyn P. Lucas, Rosaline Lucas, Maria Christine C. Madrid, Princess M. Mateo, Glenn J. Mauricio, Gladys F. Morados, Arlene A. Luis, Cindy Lord M. Paglinawan, Judith B. Pasqua, Marlene O. Raxin, Delvi R. Rico, Maria Fe L. Sembrero, Jesusa A. Soriano, Rosalyn C. Valera, and Vian M. Valerosa. Fourth year, Section 10, Mrs. Mercedita Tan Aban, Advisor.
Juan O. Amador, Ryan C. Antolin, Dave Rustin C. Antor, Mark Edison D. Banyanola, Dini Ray M. Bobis, James L. Boto, Reuben D. Caes, Ricardo D. Serginio, Christian G. Costales, Ryan T. De La Cruz, Ares T. Gutierrez, Tertius D. Loresto, Dennis G. Mendoza, Bernard D. Palagil, Romy M. Panganiban, Jordan Ray T. Reparian, Jimmy D. Romero, A. John P. Tabor, Jebert M. Tatag, Raimundo H. Villamor, Lalaine D. Abeleda, Alona P. Alegro, Yulamel P. Baichong, Arian P. Barrias, Aisa S. Baru, Niña Marie O. Bailon, Jubaira O. Beltran, Geraldine S. Kalangayan, Desiree J. Carbo, Sherman C. Castro, Jerilyn N. Celedonio, Marion Emanuel D. Tison, Ivy May L. Dugan, Marvick D. Ferrer, Madel D. Gloria, Mary Grace F. Guacha, Judy Ann D. Ignacio, Shenalyn D. Lacbayo, Rachel R. Llaninas, Chema F. Morados, Donna B. Morris, Caroline G. Negosa, Annabel H. Novado, Clarissa May D. Operio, Javelin M. Oxales, Elisa C. Pactibare, Mary Joy O. Perez, Laika Winkel M. Ihano, Maria Jesusa G. Regala, Janice D. Santos, Michelle C. Vergara, and Marites S. Villanda. Fourth Hill Section 11, Mrs. Denya S. Bautista, Advisor.
F. Marsano, Louis F. Borromeo, Calvin E. Castro, Jan B. Cruz, Emilson D. Espera, Jan Wilson C. Estanislao, Miramor J. Ibanez, Louis M. Javier, Chin L. Javier, Respon Ross B. Maclan, Ryan G. Martin, Christian L. Perucho, Mark Jason P. Poxon, Kim G. Cono, Bernard D. Rebagoda, Janelle A. Remolina, Jeffrey Franz M. Sanchez, Wilson S. Sequenan, Rodolfo S. Tamon Jr., Jonel L. Valles, Mark Kevin P. Vito, Roxanne P. Bacar, Clarice May R. Balatero, Roscar Myra D. Bargo, Mariel Ann Q. Belen, Michelle P. Campillos, Cindy C. Castro, Sheila Mar P. Catindol, Romelyn P. Cruz, Maria Cristina L. de la Cruz, Cecil D. Diala, Sarah Jane F. Diaz, Marilyn O. Divina Gracia, Sienna Ann E. Duarte, Jacqueline L. Escola, Juliet R. Esteban, Anselin M. Evangelista, Yen R. Fernandez, Wendy B. Flores, Maria Cristina G. Gamboa, Edna B. Diaz, Maria Rosel D. Quinto, Arby A. Gutierrez, Lucille R. Limboy, Kimberly B. Luzande, Princess Lynn B. Mangampo, Daisy Lynn D. Medina, Emmeline A. Mendoza, Sarah Jane Miraflor, Coralien U. Moril, Rosemary G. Patco, Lisel L. Epamonte, Mary Jane D. Reyes, Mary Jane B. Rico, Cheryl R. Rodriguez, Ana Marie Y. Sevilla, Gabriela E. Talesi, and Cristal Joy B. Bacunawa. Fourth year, Section 12, Miss Aprilyn G. Reyes, Advisor.
Mark Joseph D. Abonda, Michael B. Agustin, Dean C. Antino, Dennis P. Selmar, Daniel B. Leonor, Edwin J. Leonor Jr., Den Terry C. De La Cruz, Matthew G. Gaham, Chandra J. T. Lazaro, Arvin O. Malignen, Romel B. Militante, Daniel A. Nialega, Marlon Leal R. Palmario, Ronald V. Penilla, Rudilex T. Colmera, J.P. F. Reyes, Mark Anthony T. Rivera, Ronnie D. Romualdo Jr., Patrick T. Saavedra, Kevin Vincent I. Salao, Paulo A. Saluta, Jason A. Sevilla, Ivan P. Sumaya, John Kenneth P. Tawatan, Randy D. Toledo, Misha Day C. Alejandro, Renadel F. Apli, Lani E. Balatero, Carmina G. Bautista, Jennifer F. Vergano, Roxanne E. Borlasa, Grace Ann Benaventura, Jane Rose R. Caldasula.
We would like to acknowledge the presence of Congressman Federico S. Sandoval II.
Rose Ann C. Clemente, Melanie R. Coles, Donna Marie C. Cortez, Maria Rose B. De Lotabo, Michelle A. Dilan, Maria Elisa B. Jopido, Melanie N. Esmino, Annabel S. Estabilio, Mary Ann C. Pajardo, Karina C. Flores, Chiqui C. Fuentes, Ami R. Gonzalez, Roseanne O. Labongray, Rosalie D. Mabagos, Raquel G. Magcalas, Lexi Ann Ana G. Martin, Annalisa M. Mitra, Catherine M. Nilo, Eloisa B. Noto, Jovelyn C. Talacat, Raquel M. Paragua, Christine B. Lacantan, Claire Rosendo, Annalyn R. Sanon, and Rose M. Tengson. Fourth year, Section 13, Mrs. Cristina C. Rojas, Advisor.
Ricardo M. Adriano, Jomar L. Alumno, Andrew Ezequiel P. Antonio, Arnold S. Aquino, Arnel D. Balu, Francisco C. Buenavente, Aldwin S. Cabañezas, Alfred P. Katina, Paulo U. Cruz, Gerson E. De Leon, Ezequiel C. De Vera, Conrado M. Enriquez Jr., Raymart B. Estabilias, Ray B. Estela, John Ray D. G. Gagarin, Emmanuel Jesus A. Garcia, Gemer P. Glodoviza, Arnel C. Gonzaga, Ronald A. Labong, James F. Lim, Samson S. Lopez Jr., Jonathan R. Medina, Jackie C. Monticalvo, Melvin R. Pabunan, Ralph T. Paulino, Jason R. Sacare, Julius S. Salvador, M. Santos, Jeff Mark A. Sarmiento, Rudolph John L. Tambunting, Melvin A. Trinidad, Cinderella M. Bailosis, Renchi May L. Bernardo, Julian L. Buhawe, Princess S. Serra, Geraldine S. Collado, Lani T. Douglas, Cecilyn C. David, Janice P. De Ramon, Julian B. Sumagyo, Carissa M. Garpin, Cherilyn M. Hinobaga, Risa P. Guanzon, Donalyn J. Iraga, Angelica B. Lazaro, Maria Christine O. Marquez, Joanna C. Natividad, Susie P. Natural, Maria Rhea C. Ocaya, Cherry Marie R. Prado, Jasmine P. Romero, Marife A. Rosal, Maribeth C. Tanchado, Princess D. Tariera, Erica Joy A. Tusi, Maricel S. Tuyogon, and Elsie L. Valeroso. Fourth year, section 4. Mark Andrew A. Arevalo. Arturo F. Baluyot, Ivan F. Bailon, William F. Binibini, Alpeniano T. Cal Jr., Hector C. Calea, Lendel Jason F. Carasi, Jeffrey G. Casalhan, Ryan James L. Sereno, J. Mark D. D. Sahagon, Ryan Vitera, Jonathan S. Dumali, Hermogenes D. Quintera Jr., Rex D. Eracho, Donaldo C. Gabriel Jr., Erwin P. Garcia, Dixon Gelsano, Damon Christopher A. Gutierrez, R.B. E. Lacuesta, Damon M. Lipapa, Nelson A. Marquez, Richard A. Marquez, J.C. James D. O. Rafi P. Perez, Junlex B. Reyes, Juan Carlo A. Salva, Romel D. Soliman, Reynard C. Tolentino, Ryan G. Valdisio, Erica Eli S. Alhambra, Jonalyn B. Arantes, Marilyn S. Basi, Angelica Bobis, Juan M. Canini, Jocelyn S. Casas, Manilyn M. Mo, Cherry Ann A. Dadula, Annalyn P. Dauba, Arlene L. Dayao,
Kataki. Sheila B. Magno. Ellen G. Mahusay. Maymel L. Mangawang. Vanessa T. Mania. Sandra A. Montero. Opelia P. Petaliano. Sheila L. Opalsa. Lehani T. Palak. Jedeline Pasa. Opelia P. Petaliano. Suerterina P. Sacres. Mara Sevilla. Mary Ann A. Simbaco. Maris T. Soriano. Christine S. Obduracion. Nobilin P. Villar. And Giselle L. Villarubia. The awarding of medals and certificates to the outstanding graduates. Slogan making contest, second place, school level. Poster making contest, school level. Third year. Fourth year, 10th place. Semi-final poster making contest, DOE. Sabayang Pagbigkas. Join the 3-day backyard camping. School level. Pass the entrance examination in Polytechnic. National High School Medal Award. Councilor Eddie T. Nolasco Award of Excellence, Mayor Tito S. Oreta Medal of Excellence, and Congressman Federico S. Sandoval Award. 8th honorable mention, Aryan Kate M. Consulta. 7th honorable mention is Violet Richardson Awardee, Soroptimis Metro Manila Northwest Regional Level, first place chess this week. Fourth place chess division level, varsity player chess school level, secretary sports club school level, passed the entrance examination in University of the East, Boys and Girls Week acting math teacher. Ladies and gentlemen, our 7th honorable mention, Maria Josephine T. Arguelles. Our 7th honorable mention received the following medals: Tinajeros National High School Medal Award, Councilor Eddie T. Nolasco Award of Excellence, Mayor Tito S. Oreta Medal of Excellence, and Congressman Federico S. Sandoval Award of Excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, our 7th honorable mention, Maria Josephine T. Arguelles. Scout of the Philippines School Level, President Boy Scout of the Philippines School Level, Vice President Boy Scout of the Philippines School Level, 4th year A placer, President Boy Scouts of the Philippines School Level, President Tanghalang Gintong Lahi School Level, Secretary Science Club School Level, News Editor Tagsibol School Paper, Boys and Girls Week Principal Youth Counterpart, 3rd place sa Bayang Pagbitla School Level, Business Manager in this club, Overall Champion 3-day Backyard Camping, Camper of First Joint Jamboree of NCR and CLR in Subic, passed the entrance examination of University of Santo Tomas, University of the East, Far Eastern University, Far Eastern University East Asia College, Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Best in Math PC 81, Academic Awards 2005-2006 school level. Ladies and gentlemen, our 6th honorable mention, Evan Lendel C. Ramos. Our 6th honorable mention received the following awards: Tinajeros National High School Medal Award, Councilor Eddie T. Nolasco Award of Excellence, Mayor Tito S. Oreta Medal of Excellence, Congressman Federico S. Sandoval Award of Excellence, and Gloria Macapagal Arroyo Academic Excellence and Leadership Award. Ladies and gentlemen, our 6th honorable mention, Evan Lendel C. Ramos. Our school level, first place Book Parade School, second place MCAP Team Category Division Level, second place AC Riding Contest School Level, Camper of the Year, Most Active Officer, third year, third place. Second place, MTAP Team Category Division. Fourth place, MTAP Area Competition. Second place, Taguig Talino Values Education Division. First runner-up, Luglugan Sagalia Division. Camper of the Year, Leader of the Year, Fortune 7th place. First place, Essay Writing Contest, Nutrition Month, School Level. First place, Jingle Making Contest, School Level. Second place, Taguig Talino Values Education Division. Finalist, Panitikan. Member, Red Cross Youth Division. Girl Scout of the Philippines President. Treasurer, SSG. Treasurer, English Club. Staffer, Tagsibol. Vice President, Tanghalang Gintong Lahi, Facilitator, 3-day backyard camping, Boys and Girls Week City Civil Registered. We would like to acknowledge the presence of Vice Mayor Arnold Vicencio. Passed the entrance examination, University of Santo Tomas, University of the East, Parisian University, East Asia College, Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Best in Values Education Academic Awards 2006-2005. Chris Everett C. Ramos. Chris Everett will receive the following award: Tinajeros National High School Medal Award, Councilor Eddie Tinolasco Award of Excellence, Mayor Tito S. Orata Medal of Excellence, and Congressman Federico S. Sandoval Award of Excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, our fifth honorable mention, Chris Everett C. Ramos. Jack is pagbigkas ng tula. Second year, fourth place, poster making contest, buwan ng wika, Talumpatian, municipal level, Frisbee Nutrition Month, Talumpatian, sabayang pagbigkas, 3-day backyard camping, oratorical contest, finalists of Panitikan, Tagisan ng Talino, Talumpatian ng wika, Talumpatian, passed the entrance examination of Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Boys and Girls Week Acting English Department Head, the Reed School Paper Editor-in-Chief, active participant of 26, 27, 29 Regional Secondary School Press Conference, Academic Awards 2005, 2006, Best in Filipino 4. Ladies and gentlemen, our fourth honorable mention, Jacqueline Turi Luciano. She will receive Tinajeros National School Medal Award, Congressman Eddie Tinolasco Award of Excellence, Mayor Tito S. Oreta Medal of Excellence, and Congressman Federico S. Sandoval Award of Excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, our fourth honorable mention, Jacqueline T. Luciano. Our third honorable mention, Chris Ryan A. Pahuyo. Second place, MTAP Team Category Division Level. Second place, MTAP Individual Category Division. Business Manager Library Club School Level. Reading Comprehension Division Level. MTAP Team Category Division, MTAP Individual Category, MTAP Team Category Division Level, MTAP Individual Category Division Level, This College Admission Test of Polytechnic University of the Philippines, PSO School Level, Math Club School Level, JGU Auditor, Academic Awards 2005-2006. Ladies and gentlemen, our third honorable mention, Chris Ryan Pahuyo. Chris Ryan will receive the following award: Tinajeros National High School Medal Award, Councilor Eddie Tinolasco Award of Excellence, Congressman Federico S. Sandoval Award of Excellence, Excellence in Mathematics from Mercury Drug. Ladies and gentlemen, our third honorable mention, Chris Ryan A. Pahuyo. Our second honorable mention, Christian P. Salvador, on 3-day backyard camping school level, Boys and Girls Week Acting Barangay Captain Division, passed the entrance examination, Polytechnic University of the Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, our second honorable mention, Christian P. Salvador. Christian will receive the following award: Tinajeros National High School Medal Award, Councilor Eddie Tinolasco Award of Excellence, Mayor Tito S. Oreta Medal of Excellence, Congressman Federico S. Sandoval Award of Excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, our second honorable mention, Christian P. Salvador. Our first honorable mention, Eileen G. Alfaro. Bookkeeper, passed the entrance examination of Pass Eastern University, Pass Eastern University East Asia, College University of the East. Ladies and gentlemen, our first honorable mention, Eileen G. Alfaro. She will receive the following award: Congressman Fortunato Tato Espiritu Award of Excellence, Tinajaros National High School Gold Medal Award, Councilor Eddie T. Dolasco Award of Excellence, Mayor Tito S. Oreta Medal of Excellence, and Congressman Federico S. Sandoval Award of Excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, our first honorable mention, Eileen G. Alfaro. And for this year's salutatorian, Jeremy M. Caballes. Division level, second place Kahusayan sa Pagbasa Filipino Division. Second place, History Quiz School level. Third place, Math Slogan Writing Contest School level. Second place, China in the Classroom School level. First place, Nutrition Month Slogan Writing Contest. First place, Buwanang Wika Slogan Writing School level. Third year representative, Math Club. Fifth place, Math Olympiad Individual Category. Second place, Math Olympiad Team Competition Division. Fourth place, Math Olympiad Area Competition. First place, Slogan Writing Contest Nutrition Month School level. Fourth place, Science Quiz B Division level. Model Student of the Year. Best in Social Studies Academic Award 2004-2005 School. Best in Filipino Academic Awards 2004-2005. Best in Science Chemistry Academic Awards 2004-2005. Third year representative Kahusayan sa Pagbasa Division level. Third year representative Reading Proficiency Division level. Fourth year second place, Secretary English Club School level. President Supreme Student Government School level. First place, Regional Cultural Representation in Baguio City National level. Representative of Tinajaros National High School in third annual Readership Training in Baguio City. Second place, Kahusayan sa Pagbasa Filipino Division level. Third place, Quiz B Division. First place, Quiz B School. First place, Nutri-Quiz School. First place, Investigatory Project School. First place, Slogan Making Contest, Family Week School. Third place, Oratorical Contest, Family Week School. Ladies and gentlemen, our salutatorian, Jeremy M. Caballes. Our salutatorian received the following awards: CAS Award from Sister Sanitary Napkin, Tinajaros National High School Gold Medal, Supreme Student Government Leadership Award, Councilor Fortunato Tato Espiritu Award of Excellence, Mayor Tito S. Oreta Medal of Excellence, Excellence in Science from Mercury Drug, Congressman Federico S. Sandoval Award of Excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, our salutatorian, Jeremy M. Caballes. Desiree May D. Caruana. First place, Social Studies Quiz B, School Official Participant to the Regional Level held in Ateneo High School. Second place, Overall Champion in Science Quiz B School. Third place, Science Quiz B Individual Category School. Third year, second place, Histo Quiz Division, Histo Quiz Regional. Second place, Spelling Bee School. Fourth year, first place Techno Quiz Regional, Participant Techno Quiz Regional. First place, Book Week Celebration Essay Writing Contest, School level. Second place, Book Week Celebration Essay Writing Contest. First place, Essay Writing Equality Empowers. First place, Essay Writing Family Week Celebration. Second place, Nutrition Month Slogan Writing Contest. Second place, Nutrition Month Essay Writing Contest. UN Millennium Development Goals Essay Writing Contest. Boys and Girls with Acting City Budget Officer. University of the Philippines College Admission Test Qualifier. University of Santo Tomas Lyceum of the Philippines, University of the East. Bawat Kabataang 2006 nominee. President English Club, Treasurer Science Club, News Editor During School Paper, Best in English, Academic Awards 2005-2006. Ladies and gentlemen, our valedictorian, Desiree May B. Caruana. Our valedictorian received the following awards: CAS Award from Sister Sanitary Napkin, Medal of Distinction AMA, Tinajeros National High School Gold Medal Award, Councilor Eddie Tinolasco Award of Excellence, Councilor Fortunato Tato Espiritu Award of Excellence, the Arnold Di Vicencio Gawad Modelong Kabataan 2006, Mayor Tito S. Ureta Medal of Excellence, to the Congressman Federico S. Sandoval Award of Excellence, Gawad Talino Award, Senator Francis Kiko Pangilinan, Philippine Senate Gold Medal for Academic Excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, our valedictorian, Desiree May M. Caruana. Gawad Modelong Kabataan 2006, Arnold Di Vicencio, is hereby awarded to Desiree May B. Caruana of Tinajeros National High School for her exemplary performance as well as rounded student, excelling in both academics and civil undertakings, positively providing that the youth of today is one of the best and brightest among the generations of Filipinos. The totality of her character and values and her attitude towards public service makes her a shining example to the rest of the youth of our country. We're truly proud of you, Mabuhay, given this third day of April 2006 at Malabon City. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, the outstanding graduates of 2006, 8th Honorable Mention, Arian Kate M. Consulta, 7th Honorable Mention, Maria Josephine T. Arguelles, 6th Honorable Mention, Evan Lendel C. Ramos, 5th Honorable Mention, Chris Everett T. Ramos, 4th Honorable Mention, Jacqueline T. Luciano, 3rd Honorable Mention, Chris Ryan A. Pahuyo, 2nd Honorable Mention, Christian T. Salvador, 1st Honorable Mention, Eileen G. Alfaro, and salutatorian, Jeremy M. Caballe, and our valedictorian, Desiree May B. Caruana. Another round of applause to our outstanding graduates, Batch 2006. Consulta na nagkamit ng pang-8 karangalang banggit Tinajeros National High School taong 2005-2006. Ipinagkakaloob ngayong ika-3 ng Abril 2006 sa Tinajeros National High School, Konsehal Fortunato Tato S. Espiritu Kasapi, Lupon ng Edukasyon. Korean Class 2006, Desiree May B. Caruana.
Thank you, fellow graduates. Honorable Vice Mayor, distinguished guests, school officials, faculty members, parents, friends, classmates, fellow graduates, everyone who's here to witness this most awaited event, good evening.
Good evening.
An important part of our lives has come to an end. We've got to know each other as we've gone through our studies here in Tinajeros National High School. For some, this day is one great joy as they realize they would never have to enter those dreaded school gates that lead to perpetual learning. For others, this is a sad day when friends part ways and may never see each other again. And this is a grand honor that you have chosen me to sum it all up in a few minutes. High school is like a television show, be it a Korean novela, a telefantasia, a teleserye, or a reality program. And we, the students, teachers, principal, and school officials are the characters. Of course, we consider ourselves as the protagonists, Some others are the supporting actors and actresses, as well as extras. We interact in such ways every day. We also had a couple of settings. Our classrooms, well, unfortunately, some of them were taken away from us last June. The basketball court, or better known as our very own Encantadia, or the basketball court. Each has its own dilemmas, victories, or funny situations that happen throughout each season. Well, we have come to the final judgment, or the so-called big night. And whether we enjoy the show or not, we always remember the good times, don't we? And all of a sudden, everything would change. Actors from a teleserye moved to new shows to perform new and more challenging roles. So do we. Each of us has our own stories, and some of them will be unforgettable. We must move forward from this school and these memories to look for something better. Each of us has various talents and abilities to be successful. Who knows? Our Violet Richardson awardee, Maria Josephine Ordiles, will soon be a House Speaker. Maybe Eduardo Esperida, National Capital Region's third most outstanding campus journalist, will soon be a prolific writer. Maybe our Sepak Takraw team will be Olympic gold-winning players. And maybe this outspoken but friendly character, Jason, will soon be Attorney Tado. School is about more than learning the Pythagorean theorem or Newton's laws. Dito sa school, nalalaman natin kung nasaan ang husay o ang forte natin. Natututunan natin kung paano makipagkapwa. Ganun din, natututunan natin kung ano ang tamang haircut at kung gaano kahalaga ang pagsusuot ng IDs. Sa loob ng 4 na taon na inilagi natin dito sa school, naniniwala akong sapat na lahat ng mga aral na natutunan natin para maging gabay sa mga susunod pang taon sa ating buhay. Pero hindi lingid sa kalaman ng lahat na hindi lahat ng magtatapos sa taong ito ay magkakaroon ng pagkakataon na makapasok sa kolehiyo. Hindi man natin masisisi ang ating mga magulang. Hawak natin ang sarili nating kapalaran. Hayaan niyo ipahad ko sa inyong isang storya. Merong isang 4th year high school student kagaya natin. Lumaki siya sa isang mahirap na pamilya. Marami silang magkakapatid, kaya nagtutulong-tulong silang maghanap buhay. Maaga siyang gumigising para magluto at magtinda. Pagdating ng tanghali hanggang hating gabi, walang sawa siyang nag-aaral. Wala siyang pinagsisisihan dahil yun ang pinili niyang landas. At ngayon, isa na siyang high school valedictorian. Isa lamang po ang gusto kong ipaabot. Katulad ng palasak na kasabihan, kung gusto, may paraan. Tiwala lamang sa sarili at sa may kapalang kinakailangan. Ang totoo, mapalad tayong mga mahihirap dahil pinanganak tayong salat sa kaginhawaan. Dahil ang isang taong pinanganak sa ganitong sitwasyon, natututunang pahalagahan ang lahat ng bagay, maliit man o malaki, basta't kanyang pinaghirapan. On behalf of the class of 2005-2006, I would like to thank in particular those people who made our memories worthwhile. Kay Manang Guard, the first person na nakadaupang palad namin bago kami pumasok sa school. Siya rin yung parang una ng pagsubok namin bago kami pumasok sa school. Bago yung periodical exams. To the people behind our school canteen, who stuffed us with healthy foods throughout our school years, sa mga mabubuting ginang at ginoo na tumutulong para sa kalinisan at kaayusan ng ating school, to our very supportive department heads who discipline and guide us, to be for us to be fruitful, not just for ourselves, but also for our school. To FPJ, Mr. Fortunato Pascual Jr., our school principal, who leads our school with pride and dignity, although our school faced an unfortunate event that affected each and every one of us. To all our teachers, who almost forced us even when every fiber in our bodies yearned to quit. Sir, ma'am, we appreciate the time and efforts you invested to guide and shape us into people we are today and what we will become in the future. Salamat po sa mga buti ng karunungan na ibinahagi ninyo sa amin na siya namin babaunin sa mga susunod pang panahon. Nakakaasa po kayo na hindi namin kayo malilimutan sa 10 ng inyong mga aral. To all my classmates, through thick or thin, you all managed to make me feel like I was part of something great. Sadyang napakaiksi ng panahon na tayo magkakasama. Sa kagalakan, sa kalungkutan, sa mga pagsubok, at sa pagkakaisa. Salamat sa mga alaala na siya kong babaunin kasama ng inyong mga ngiti na magpapaalala sa akin kung gaano kasaya at kakulay ang high school. And now, throughout the years, things have always changed. Friends have come with us, they have come and gone, and teachers have been with us for only a few years. But one thing will never change and will always remain constant. Our parents. Sa loob po ng maraming taon, sinamahan, ginabayan niyo po kami sa maraming bagay. Pinalakas po ninyo ang aming loob at tinulungan kami upang makamit ano man ang meron kami ngayon. Sinuportahan pa rin po ninyo kami kahit na kadalasan nasa amin ang pagkakamali. Ma, pa, at sa lahat po ng mga magulang, iniaalay po namin ang aming diplomas upang masuklian man lamang kahit kaunti ang inyong mga pagsisikap. Tubos po kami nagpapasalamat. Finally, I would like every graduate to enjoy this last day. We are considered classmates. It was about 10 years ago that we toddled into kindergarten, and now we made friends and learned new things. We have survived through countless assignments or homeworks, recitations, researches, and hundreds of books. We matured, but most of us somehow, and now we're ready to go into that bigger world. Life goes on, and don't be afraid to live life. Good luck to all of us. May the force be with us, and in the famous words of Neil Armstrong, the journey of 1,000 miles always begins with one step. May the providence be with us all, always. Fellow grads, please rise for the recitation of the Pledge of Loyalty. Name of our alma mater. Tinajeros National High School. I shall faithfully carry out her noble aspirations through my words and actions. I shall forever try to live according to his teachings, that I may be a useful member of the community, a humane partner of my fellow men, and worthy disciple of God.